Hello and welcome to COM 712, Quantitative Analysis and Communication. It's Dr. Spates giving you your weekly checklist. It's week 13 and I'm just have a few things for you this week. As you notice, we're getting closer and closer to the end of the semester, which means now it's time to really focus on the final paper. While you're doing that, I have just two assignments for you for the week. And while you're doing those things, I will be finishing up the grading of the SPSS assignments. I've been away in Milwaukee, so I apologize for the delay in things, but you will see the final video showing the answers to the questions for last week, as well as the grades going in this week. So just look for that on Blackboard. Here is your checklist for week 13. I want to start us off by reading chapter 10. We're going to be looking at content analysis this week and focusing on what that is and how it's done. To continue on with that, I have a small assignment for you on the discussion board on Blackboard. It's just one question this time, but you'll want to answer that in its entirety. We'll be talking about coding schemes and putting together a content analysis style of data research for a content analysis based quantitative research study. So just take a look at the questions and make sure that you respond following the directions that are listed. In addition to that, I just want to remind you that the method section, I'll be doing a check-in all next week so that it will be the specific focus. So those of you who have collected data or are in the middle of collecting data or have questions during that time, I just would like to remind you that that will be the perfect time to set up an appointment or to send things over for a early feedback before turning it in at the final submission. So continue working hard on your method sections. Remember looking at the literature reviews and they looked really strong. So make sure that you do the same thing for your method section, that all of the sections are filled out and that your data collection is going well. As always, you can ask questions, set up an appointment, or set aside time to get clarification on anything about this course. I am available in person, by email, by Zoom conference, and also by telephone, but still using the Zoom conference tool. So just feel free to reach out at any time and I will be happy to meet with you. I look forward to reading your method sections next week. But for now, have a great week 13, and I will see you next week here for COM 712. Take care.